Musamseleku doesn't need Mangwabe or Mayeni's permission to bring Makwela in Muzumbe. Muzumbe, it's his compound. He can do whatever he want to do with his compound. Even Mayeni doesn't say, don't bring your wife. No, Mayeni, she doesn't have nothing to do with Makwela only. They don't say, don't bring Makwela. Musamseleku have to bring Makwela in Muzumbe, whether they like it or not, or they will talk with her or not, because other wives, especially Mangwawe and Mayeni, they are threatening Musamseleku. Maybe Musamseleku, he is in fear that they are going to leave him. Mayeni and Mangwawe, they don't stay in Muzumbe. Why he can't bring her in Muzumbe? Because those people, they are no longer staying in Muzumbe. Maybe they visit Muzumbe maybe one day. You understand? So Musamseleku bring Mangwawe. When he bring Mangwawe, Mayeni doesn't like Mangwawe, but Mayeni will end up accepting Mangwawe to give Mangwawe attention. Now they talk to each other with Mangwawe. It's the same applies here to do to Makwela, because Musamseleku can't expect that maybe those people, they have to accept here. They are not living. Makwela is not living in Muzumbe. And they took a chance now. They have got a chance not to accept Makwela, because they know that Makwela is not staying in Muzumbe. But when Makwela is the part of the family, Makwela is staying in Muzumbe. They have got no choice. Even Makumalo was asking Musamseleku why on season 8 about that ceremony that Musamseleku is going to introduce Makwela. Makumalo was saying many questions, asking Musamseleku many questions. I don't think that there is no need to ask Musamseleku's many questions, because even she wants to introduce Makwela on that umcimbi or ceremony, Musamseleku doesn't involve them, or to say they have to come on that ceremony. You understand? So sometimes, guys, Musamseleku have to bring Makwela, whether they like her or not, because even all of them, they don't like each other. All four of them. Why he is expecting that they are going to accept Makwela? Now Mayeni doesn't like Musamseleku's wife. Doesn't like even Macele. Mayeni came after Macele, but Mayeni doesn't want Macele. Even Mayeni is Musamseleku's first girlfriend. It doesn't mean. The important is the first wife is Macele, but she doesn't like Macele, Makumalo, Mangwawe. Mayeni doesn't accept them until now. Why Musamseleku is expecting that Mayeni is going to accept Makwela? So he have to do things that make him happy now, because he is staying in Muzumbe alone. Those wives, they were not there. You understand? Musamseleku brought those houses for Mayeni and Mangwabe to shift that he can bring Makwela. Why now he can bring Makwela? I think that Musamseleku is the one who have got problem. He doesn't want to stay with Makwela now. It's not, that a person who have got maybe he doesn't want you. He can give you the reason, but or to blame other people because he doesn't want to bring Makwela in Muzumbe. It's not about Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makumalo. They don't have a problem because they are no longer staying in Muzumbe. You understand? So sometimes you can blame them, or people on social media. You want people on social media to blame them. Those people, they don't have a problem. Why he bring Mangwabe when Mayeni doesn't want Mangwabe at the first time when he married to Mangwabe? He have to do the same thing when he want Makwela. Because Mzamselek, what I saw, he want to have kids with Makwela, but to have Makwela as his wife, what I saw, I don't think Musamseleku married Makwela for kids, not for his wife, because he is always blaming his wives on social media. You understand? On social media, that are the reason why they don't like Makwela to come in Muzumbe. What? In Muzumbe, it's his compound, guys. He can do whatever he want to do with his compound. Those women, they have nothing to do with Makwela. They say they don't want to meet Makwela only. Not Makwela not to came in Muzumbe. I don't think that they are problem.